Hey folks, how y'all doing? This is Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the F-86 Aero Sabre, and we're going to take off and land with their version of safe only. Let me.
AS3X
okay.
mode. Normal mode.
Normal mode.
Self-level.
Self-level. So that's what we're going to take off in and land in that. So right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. So gonna be restrictive. She's not gonna wanna oh.
Normal mode.
Sorry folks, I can't do it.
AS3X mode.
I was going to, but I've got like no control. I panic. I was gonna do that. I am so sorry. But I start to panic because I can't control, and then you make mistakes. Tell you what I will do. I'll come back by with it in self-level or safe. All right.
Self-level.
There. That's in self-level. And you see, I can't turn it.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, I started panicking because I can't control her. And I felt like I was losing control. So I'm sorry.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
Whoa, not a good landing. See if we can't do that again. Scrappy little bird.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up. Time remaining 1 minute.
Not bad at all. All right, we still got 56 seconds. Let me try it again. In safe. All right.
Self-level.
All right, she's in self-level now. Oh. Yeah, I would have to get used to this.
30 seconds.
Okay, folks, I'm landing in safe now. Okay. I've kept my word. I was able to take off and land with safe. And she will not let you turn herself over. But I have not seen anything in the Vector motor off that allows you or tells you can adjust the gains. But she won't turn. The most you'll, okay, like here she is flying level. The most you get is about like that. About like that. So, all right, folks. Well, there you go. That's the Arrows F-86 done in the Vector safe mode. Thank you so much for watching, and some of the regular AS3X mode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget, faith, family, friends, and then planes. Bye-bye.